So on the arbitrage thing, obviously in your circles people know it, but most people don't. So that whole rent to rent there, I'd love to hear a little bit about like what you do there. There's benefits to it because you're probably getting in for less than you would have to put down as a down payment on a house. There's probably less qualifications than you would for a mortgage, and you can make a lot of cash flow would increase your cash on cash return. And I guess the only downside to it is probably that you're not benefiting from the appreciation, but you're also hedging your bets on the risk of a market turn. So it's kind of just how you look at it, right? What is arbitrage? What's it look like? What's an example of some numbers and some things people can expect?
Absolutely. So rental arbitrage is you going to rent a property and subleasing it on Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, right? The gross minus expenses is the arbitrage. So what I'm looking for is a property that would generate me on average over 12 months, 3 times my rent. So if my rent is 2,000, right? 3 times that is 6,000. You multiply that times 12, okay? So 6 times 12 is 72. I am looking for properties that will bring me 72,000 or more, right? And you're finding pockets of areas that are 3 bedrooms, let's just say top 3 or 4, right? And instead of an average of the 10, and really create what we call the perfect property avatar, right? So I utilize my comps on Airbnb, the revenue that these properties are giving me, and then I'm utilizing the market power. I'm also seeing what is the occupancy, right? What is how many nights most properties are booked, right? And then what's what they call lead time, how many days in advance people are booking, and then how many nights are booking per booking. What's the average nightly rate too? Okay, so once I've identified all these data points, then that's when I make my decision. Okay, I think this property is gonna make X amount, right? We need to go for this type of property. Then I step into negotiating the deal